Have you ever wondered why some gardeners have thriving garlic crops while others struggle with pests? The secret lies in one simple step before planting. In every garden, you'll often find a row of garlic. This powerful vegetable isn't just a staple in the kitchen, it also acts as a natural protector for other plants. Many gardeners use it to ward off pests and even make organic pesticides from it. Garlic is easy to grow and far less demanding than crops like tomatoes or peppers. However, it's not entirely pest-proof. Pests like the onion fly, garlic fly, onion moth, aphids, nematodes, onion flea, and onion leafhopper can cause serious damage to garlic crops. They can reduce the yield and quality of the harvest, and in severe cases, they can wipe out an entire crop. Garlic is typically planted in early spring or as early as February if the weather is favorable. But before planting, there is one crucial step you should take to protect it from these destructive pests. To keep garlic healthy and pest-free, prepare a simple protective solution. In 1 liter of lukewarm water, dissolve 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir well. Place the garlic cloves into the solution, mix them thoroughly, and let them soak for 2 hours. After soaking, plant them as soon as possible. If you prefer an alternative, chamomile tea works just as well. Simply soak the garlic cloves in the tea for a few hours before planting. Wood ash and table salt can also be used for protection, and this method is equally effective for onions. Another way to safeguard garlic is through companion planting. Growing it alongside carrots, mint, or celery can help repel pests naturally due to their strong scent. Once the garlic is in the ground, you can further protect it with natural repellents made from tobacco, chili peppers, rhubarb, wormwood, nettle, neem, rapeseed oil, or ash. Where are you watching from? Drop a comment below. I love connecting with gardeners from all over the world. For more gardening tips, check out the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on I added 1 drop to my tomatoes. The growth results were insane.